So, this one was a big office. God, I have to check. I did this like 2 months ago, and I'm finally getting the videos. I have to do the videos in batches because I just don't have time. I mean, by the time I'm done with my day, the last thing I want to do is go home and shoot a video about the work I just did. My daughter, my daughter's 6. I built out this little room. You kind of see it a little bit. You can see it, but it's kind of neat. It's like a little command center for myself. Wish I had a better visual for you, but the screen recording software kind of zooms in on faces. She's just a knocking. Come in, sweet pea. Come in. You're on camera.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you are.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Oh, goodness. Oh, I see you still. People are going to see you all over the internet. Yeah, they are.
What happened?
Okay, I'll finish this up. You can come in here. And so this one, I can't remember what the firm was.
You were about to say that.
I must have wrote about it here, but I write these things right after the job. What I do is I just brain dump all these things. I can double tap the back of my phone and it brings up voice recording, and then that goes right into notes, and so that I don't forget anything. Because when you're going job to job to job, if you don't write down all the little nuances right away, you'll just forget them or forget some interesting tidbit that you could share on video. But we did a bunch of them. This was only 2 of them. Come in. I had to pause. My daughter, when she wants my attention, she will keep trying to get it. But this was 2 of the TVs. So painters had just gotten done painting, and then we put these up. But I put up 3 Samsung frames, one for the CEO, one for vice president, one for, I can't remember the other office. And then there were conference room TVs. So in 3 of the conference rooms, there were more interactive screens put in. And there's one in the kitchen and a couple others. I can't remember at this point, being that it was 2 months ago. That's like 200 jobs ago. But, this is pretty basic. They already had the outlets done, and so my only job was to come in and mount the TVs, and so that was bing, bang, boom. But, you got to have them precise. The ones in the conference room needs to be precise. But there's really no difference between corporate work and the clients that I have, because generally this type of residential clients I have are the type of people who would be working in a nice corporate setting. So they have the same aesthetic taste, whether they're, having it done at their business or at their home. And so the difference between corporate and residential for me is almost no difference. It's basically the same work, same clients, and I love doing it. I love seeing the offices, and I think, oh, I wonder if the mounting man could get big enough to get an office like this one day. But it's not needed. My office is a person's living room. And this little video area that I've carved out in my place. So that's it for that one.